All right, May 14th, 21st, that was last week. May 21st, sorry, I'll start over. Last week, 2-frame split. May 1st, 2-frame split. Last week, couldn't find the queen. So, let's see, not a ton of swarm cells, but enough. Borderline. Sorry, I'm just looking for the queen here, just in case. Not that I would find her, couldn't find her last week. So anyways, let's see. This is gonna be interesting in here. 2 honey supers. If you don't watch the video, I try to split it up so they're not so long. 2 honey supers, totally stuffed, all stuffed in a week. So I know that trickle was coming in, capping honey, doing all the good stuff. So let's get in here and see what we did. So I got a couple options with this hive. I'm guessing I'm about 2 weeks away from having some laying, or having I only made 1 split 1 week, but anyways, having the first split off of her, which was on May 1st, might be available to slide in. We'll see next week. I try to wait long enough on my splits to see what they're doing, how they're doing, before I do anything with them. I gotta give them a chance. All right, this is totally full of nectar. One of the other things, I think, maybe they were swarming, maybe they did swarm. I don't know. I can't say that they swarm because, I mean, I've taken 4 frames of brood out of this hive and all the boxes are full. So I'm just gonna take my time. Once again, sorry. I'm gonna try to find the queen. If she was swarming, if they did swarm, she would have stopped laying. She would have shrunk down, which would have made it even harder for me to find. Not making excuses though. Sometimes it's just beekeeping error. Can't see it. But I'm excited. I mean, whatever happens here, I know a lot of people say, or a few people have made some great comments this week. About, is it worth it? I think it's worth it. Thing you have to understand is this is a 3-year-old queen. Something was going to happen no matter what. My other hives that are 2 years old, they're not like this. So I'm trying to show you everything. Trying to give you a glimpse, the good, the bad, of what I do. I don't just want to show you. I'm not trying to sell you anything. You don't have to watch the videos, I guess, is what I'm trying to get at. And I'm just, like I said, if I show you what I see, yeah, maybe you can learn something. Maybe it's not worth your time. But I enjoy it, and I have fun at it. But like I said, I just want to show everybody what I'm doing, what I'm seeing. And what I'm seeing is young larvae right there. So I still have a queen. That's a very good frame of brood. I would love, I mean, it's stuffed. It's literally stuffed. I don't know if it'll come in the sun because that's young larva, and that's on these bottom corners is probably 5 or 6 day old brood right there, down there. I know it's not going to come in, but so I still had a laying queen last week, just couldn't find her. Just can't find her. We've got cup right here. So nothing's in it. I wasn't concerned about this queen, and she was having a great laying pattern. So I am looking for eggs. Whew. She would have been out on this frame, I would hope. Yeah, she had a great, I don't want to replace this queen until I really have to. She looked great. I think they were more trying to swarm than they were trying to supersede her. But either way, all right, so that would have been, this is like the outer edge of the brood chamber. So that's why I'm looking for, let's spend a little more time. But yeah, here we are. I mean, I couldn't be more excited. I said at the beginning of this series, back in May, I want her genetics to live on. I try to raise most of my queens from either 3-year-old queens or very productive 2-year-old queens. Oh, look at that. Right, this is what I'm talking about. I mean, that's a beautiful pattern right there. Just need to not see swarm cells and not see, and try to find the queen. So I'm not seeing eggs. All right, there's a young larva right in there. All right, I still have a queen. And I still have swarm cells. Look at that pattern though. I know it's got, that's brood, that's drone brood that was there, but look at that section right here down by my thumb. She's still a great laying queen. I don't want to replace her just yet. Maybe I'll think about something right at the end of the summer. Okay, what are we doing here, girls? All right, we got 1, 2. Okay, we got 2 in here. 2 swarm cells. I expected to see it. Not concerned about it. I still want to find the queen. Where are you? All right. All right, we're in chop mode. I'm chopping. I don't want to take splits from a hive 2 weeks in a row. I feel like it's just going to knock them right to nothing. Just my thought. Yeah, she looks phenomenal. I'll take it. I'll take it. So they didn't fly. They did not fly this week. We'll see. Let's see if I can keep them in the box. All right, girls. All right. Just give me a minute here. I mean, that's a lot of bees, considering. I mean, she, 1 frame of brood is more than she does, I do believe, right? And, or what she could almost do in a week, a little. So, what are we seeing? Sorry, my head's in the way. I'm trying to get. All right, so this frame doesn't look so good. Part of it was probably full of pollen, and as she laid in where the pollen wasn't, and now that they've used the pollen, that would be my thought. So, all right, what are we doing, girls? What are we doing? So I'm still not, okay, what is that? Okay, I'm not seeing eggs here. So, let's see where she is. All right. She is here. She is here. All right, so as of right now, they're getting another honey super. They're gonna need that. They're gonna fill that in a week, I bet. Okay, all right, guys, all right. And getting agitated. All right, what are we gonna see here? Okay, well, I'm still not seeing eggs over here. Still not seeing it. All right, well, we're gonna move on. All right, nothing there, it's just a cup. Sometimes a cup is just a cup. All right, well, we're moving on. We still got 4 more frames. And yeah, and disrupting the brood nest like that doesn't help. Like I said, taking 4 frames. So we'll see. But I'm whoa, what do we got here? Okay, now we're talking supersedure cups. Middle of the frame, not on the bottom. Let's see what's in them, but I'm looking for my queen first. I think I gotta look for the queen first and then come back. All right, this is all pollen. This is another full pollen frame. So let's get back here and see. Not seeing her. Okay, let's see what we got here. All right, nothing. Nothing. Oh, that one had an egg. All right, well, we got an egg. We got a queen. That had nothing in it. Perfectly placed egg. Oh, there she is right there. Okay, so we got her. We got her. We got her. All right, she's got so very little green left on her. Where did she just go? Where are you? Ooh. Sorry. There are so many bees in my face I can't see. Where did she go? I just had her. Okay, here she is. Right there. Probably why I can't find. Look at the little green. It's not good. It's just too many bees flying to focus. She's right there. Boom. All right. Queen is here. Tiny little green dot. Or remnants of it. All right. I'm good. We're going to move forward this week. Very careful. We are moving forward. I'm going to let them roll. Like I said, they'll get another super. And we'll go from there. Yeah, nicely done, ladies. All right, I feel better. I did find her. It is my queen. It's a green dot, so, and this is Nectar, so. Boom. Good, 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 good. All right, girls, you need a place to put it. All right, we're moving forward. So last week, 2 splits, and yeah, they're drawn. I mean, that's all drawn out. That's a brand new frame. Maybe it started, but that's all being drawn out. All right, girls, I like it. We're getting there. So she's still here. She did not fly. They did make a couple swarm cells. 1 super procedure, I'm fine with that. But if I can get them through a couple more weeks, I think we'll be good. I mean, I think they've turned their focus to the flow opposed to swarming. I don't know, it's just a weird year this year. We had a weird year. It's like we're warmer than normal, and then so they almost like they got tricked into thinking. That's my thought. Almost like they got tricked into thinking they missed the spring flow. And so here we go. But I'm gonna shut the video off right there, put my queen excluder on, and I'm gonna add another honey super. So we're adding supers. Thank you for watching.